Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play I Can't Handle Change on piano. We'll start by exploring the core chords that form the foundation of this beautiful piece. You'll discover the simple, yet effective progression used throughout the song. Focus on mastering these 3 or 4 essential chords first, ensuring your transitions are fluid and natural. This initial step is crucial for building a solid base for your performance. Next, let's dive into the captivating melody played by your right hand. This is often the most recognizable part of the song, so pay close attention to the rhythm and phrasing. Practice the melody slowly, ensuring each note is clear and precise. Once comfortable, begin to integrate it with the chords you learned earlier, aiming for a harmonious and synchronized sound between both hands. Understanding the song's structure is key to a compelling performance. We'll break down the different sections, like the verses and choruses, so you know exactly where you are. Then, we'll discuss dynamics, adding light and shade to your playing. Think about playing softer in some parts and louder in others to convey emotion, making your rendition truly expressive and engaging for listeners. To truly master I Can't Handle Change, consistent practice is essential. Always begin by practicing at a slow tempo, gradually increasing your speed as you gain confidence. Utilizing a metronome will greatly improve your rhythmic accuracy and timing. Finally, bring both hands together, focusing on a cohesive and musical performance. With dedication, you'll be playing this wonderful song beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.